before cyclic breathing, preparing and your system, inhaling. So Pranaya Swaha. Exhaling. Apanaya Swaha. Inhaling. Pranaya Swaha. Exhaling. Apanaya Swaha. Inhaling. Pranaya Swaha. Exhaling. Samanaya Swaha. From navel. Next, from Vishuddhi and Ajna. Inhaling. Pranaya Swaha. Udhanaya Swaha. Pranaya Swaha. Entire body. Vyanaya Swaha. Pranam Brahmeti Vyajana. First pranayama. Second pranayama. This is always Gayatri pranayama. This is followed by the Gayatri, or Gayatri followed by this. First this has to be done, then the Gayatri. Gayatri also the same. Apanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha. But in Gayatri, you don't use the air element name, you use the plane of consciousness. So you use, remember, Apana means 2 times you have to say. One is excretory, one is the reproductive urinary system. The same way, when you say Gayatri, Gayatri is Om Bhu, Om Bhu, Om Subha. But here, 2 times comes Bhu. Why 2 times Bhu? Because Patala, hell also comes under the Bhu. So there are 2 planes. One is Bhuloka, one is Patala Loka, one is the hells. There are 4 hells. Represent, they are on the earth only. That's why there are only 2 apanas. Even excretory is called apana, and your reproductive urinary system is called apana. So also, both are referred by bhu. Bhu has to be said 2 times. Om bhu. This is excretory, mooladhara. Now the next swadhisthana. Next second apana, secondary apana. Secondary apana is again about bhu, again bhu it comes. So these both are down. Earth is down, water is down, and solid is down. Patala means down, where gravity is more. And this is fire. Fire means bhuva, and atmosphere, fire, CO2 zone. That's why it's called fire zone. Fire zone. And this is called bhuva. And this is called suva. This is the heaven if you are in the heart. Suva. And then maha, jana. So this is suva, bhu, and bhuva, suva, and then you have maha, then you have jana, tapa, satya. So om bhu, bhuvaha, suvaha. This is not suvaha. Understand, this is not suvaha. It is eating food is not swarga. It is hell. That's why here the swarga is. So higher planes of consciousness here. Here the 3 are there. This. This is called Sagara Mata, Everest. This is called Kapala. This is called Sahasrara. This is Sahasrara, Kailasa. And this is called Mukti. This is called Ayn. So Nepala, Falabhaga. It is below that. And prefrontal Ajna Chakra. And this is your Pahad region of the Himalayas. Muktinadha. And this, Muktinadha, this represents. And then comes Kailasa, this is Everest, Sagara Mata. And remaining, there are so many Annapurna Chakra, and all there are subclasses. Every Himalayan peak is there in your body, it represents. So, when we do Bhu, both the times 2, this is Bhuvarloka, and this is Suvarloka, and this is Vishuddhi Janarloka. Sometimes Suvarloka it has 2 chakra, Anuraga chakra, Anahata chakra. So that's why sometimes Suvarloka and Maharloka also goes here. And then, so classification I am telling you, so Janarloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. But otherwise, this is Suvarloka and this is Vishuddhi, this is your Maharloka, and this is your Janarloka, this is your Tapoloka, this is Satyaloka. This is a way to consider. Or this is Tapoloka, this is Satyaloka considered. This is actually Satyaloka, this is called Tapoloka. So though Everest is taller than Kailasa, but Kailasa is worship. So this crown is on the top of the head. That is called Everest, Sagara Mata. That's why it's called in Sanskrit Mata. Mata pe, Mata. Mata means brain, peak of the brain. Where your cortex brain peak is there called Mata. In Sanskrit, the Everest name is Mata. And this entire called ocean. This is the Mata. Your entire cerebral cortex peak is Everest. But so Kailasa, where your radar is there, where your antenna is there, fontanelle, Brahmarandra, this is called Tapoloka. This is only the way to Satyaloka. This is Tapoloka, this is Satyaloka. And then comes Falabhaga and remaining all. So from Bru Majja to Nasagre, Muktinadha, and going into Kailasa. Before going to Kailasa, the only way you connect is from here. So this Ajna and Sahasrara, Brahmarandra. Central nervous. There is some, if you consider this is Satyaloka and this is Tapoloka. And this is to brain your cerebral cortex. And then you connect it to from here, you go up here. Sahasrara. Sahasrara is this. Fontanelle. And this is Mata. So this is called Tapoloka, this is called Satyaloka, Sahasrara, where we finally collect from, where the heart and Kapalarandra is connected. So that it is not that you don't imagine virtually, it is like that. So the way the body dissolves at the end when you do the spiritual journey, etc. But I need to clarify, you are doing Gayatri Pranayama, because whenever Gayatri followed by Om Apanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha, Udhanaya Swaha, then when you are chanting with that, the Gayatri means you should say this, Om Bhu, Om Bhu, Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Suva, Om Maha, Om Jana, Om Tapa, Om Satyam. That's a way, just showing. The another classification, this is Suvarloka, this is Maharloka, this is Janarloka, this is Tapoloka, this is Satyaloka. In this, Everest is not given importance. Mata is not given importance. When it is not given, when you consider this as a Satyaloka, this itself is a Tapoloka, cerebral cortex. If that is the case, then this chakra is called Tala Chakra. Remember, Angili Chakra, Tala Chakra is very, very powerful. Tala Chakra is connected to this. This is connected to this, the triangle. Your glottis connects to the Tala Chakra. So the nostrils end in the glottis. Your food pipe and your trachea, your larynx merge there. So that is called Tala Chakra. So that's why Nasagre, here when you concentrate, that's called Tala Chakra. This is called Muktinada Kshetra. This is called Muktinada. And this is called Nepala Kshetra. This is called Nepala Kshetra. This is called, so, and this is called Kailasa, Satyaloka. This is called Tapoloka. This is a way to consider again. This is a way to consider. This is a very, very important plane. Nepal, this is the Himalayan foothill. This is called Palabhaga. Entire Tarai region is called Falabhaga. Understand? Fala. Plains before you go into the Himalayas. The plains come and then forest comes. Forest means the hair comes. Then Pahad comes. Then peaks come. And then comes Kailasa. So this is how it is treated. So the journey inside it is treated. So when we do Gayatri, so you can even do here Tala Chakra. So you can do Om Jana Tapa Satyam. That's the classification. So we do with that Gayatri. In this Gayatri, how to again? But when we chant Shloka, Tatsavitarvarein, Inhale. Bargo. Exhale. Devasya. Again you can go by chakra by chakra. The inhalation. Mahe exhalation. The inhalation. Yana exhalation. Pracho inhalation. Devudaya exhalation. That's how the Gayatri is perfect. That's the way to do it. Apo Jyoti Rasa Mrutam Rutam, Amrutam, Amrutam. Rutam is exhalation. Am is inhalation. Am. Amrutam. Then comes opposite. Bhurbha Vasvaram. Exhalation. Clear? Entire Gayatri word by word, where inhalation, where exhalation. This is called Anghanyasa. Anghanyasa. Gayatri with Anghanyasa. When you do Shodashopachara Puja, as a part of Sandhya Vandana, and where again you do Om Anaya Pranaya Swaha, inhale, again Apanaya Swaha. Same planes of consciousness you are referring by the air element. Because dissolving those elements will take you to those realms of the consciousness. That's why first you say Gayatri, then you say this. But actually when you do, this is easy, but I have introduced you. So first Gayatri, then you do Anaya Swaha, Apanaya Swaha. In between connecting, you say Amruto Mastu Amruta Vastra Namasi. And you say Satyam Vartante, Satyam Vadishyami, because we are working with the reality, changing the reality, subtler reality, because you are going by, first you are perceiving as the planes of consciousness, next you are perceiving in the Laya Yoga, dissolving the element, solid element, liquid element, Apana, fire element, then the space element, Akasha, and then Vishuddhi, then the consciousness element, consciousness space element, and the consciousness element, and then a superconscious element. So that's a way. And elements one dissolved the other. So final to the singularity. So that's why we do Anaya, Apanaya, Samanaya, Udhanaya. This is only prana, always respiratory. Sometimes this is also called Udhana, but so it is prana. So Udhana. So you can say Udhana, and then Udhana, and then Vyana. So this is everywhere. And then Vyanaya, Udhanaya, and Vyanaya Swaha. This is the way, the Gayatri followed by Pranayama. So Pranayama, Pranam Brahmeti Vyajhanat. And this is Annam Brahmeti Vyajhanat. Bhurbhuva Swaha is the entire body representing the planes of consciousness, Patala, and so Talatala, Rasatala, Patala, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Patala, Mahatala, Patala, all these planes of consciousness, lower planes of consciousness, down. Bhu, all this comes under the Bhu only, two Bhus, and then Bhuvarloka, and then Suvarloka, and then Janarloka, Maharloka, Nasa, Grey, Angile Mudra, Maharloka. Easy for you to, this classification, Janarloka, and this is Suvarloka, and Maharloka, Janarloka, Tapoloka, Sachaloka. Very easy to remember. Once again I repeat. This is Suvarloka, this is Maharloka, and this is Janarloka, Janarloka, and this is Tapoloka. This is Suvarloka, this is Maharloka, Janarloka, Tapoloka, Sachaloka. This is a way to remember it. Suvarloka, Maharloka, Janana, Varamauktikam, Navamauktikam, born again, Janarloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. Tapa, use the Rudra, third eye, wisdom eye, burning eye, Tapa, wisdom eye, the inner eye only burns the fuel, that's why it's called Tapa, Satyam. And this is Jana, Angeli Mudra, where you are born. And then comes Jana, and then Maharloka, and then comes here Suvarloka. These are the higher planes of consciousness, and these are the lower planes of consciousness. Kamaloka is here only, because Kama means the eating, Maiduna, and Maiduna, Visarjana, Maiduna, and Kshudbhada, Kshud, so Bhakshana means eating, Bhakshana, Maiduna, all these are lower centers. Kama, these are the desire centers. That's why here itself it will be over, Bhuva will be over. They are called Kamaloka. Maharloka means beyond our universe. So beyond Kama, so this is all higher centers, Suvarloka and Maharloka, and so Janarloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. So when you are doing this classification, because in Gayatri you always do this, there are several ways of doing it, slowly we learn, and like this, and six manipulations here, six manipulations here, there are six manipulations doing. This is one manipulation which we are doing, and another manipulation is this, 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 another manipulation is this. Six manipulations. Similarly, one manipulation, 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 and one manipulation, and one manipulation. There are six manipulations top, and six manipulations this. These six manipulations, three manipulations, six. Why six? Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Swaha. So Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Swaha, Om Maha, Om Jana, Om Tapa, Om Satya. So all these 6, 7. Because it comes pranaya, swaha, inhalation is Om, Om, Om. So you go by down, 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 up to here you go. 7 planes of consciousness. So all are exhaling and inhaling, exhaling. So 3 times 6, because one is inhalation, remaining 6 are exhalation you are doing. That's what 7 it comes. Prana is always inhalation, remaining all are exhalation. Together 7 it becomes. Understand? So there's a way to do the Gayatri, and there's a way we practice. So now, once again we practice Gayatri, with that we end. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha we do, and Om Maharloka, Janarloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. So that Om Anaya Swaha Panaya also we do. Om Bhu Satya Om सवितुर ऋतुर्वरेण्यम् ॐ सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ आपो ज्योति रसो मृतम् ॐ ब्रह्म वसुवरो नेक्स्ट प्राणाय स्वाहा इनहेल अपानाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा अपानाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा उधानाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा once again उधानाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा व्यानाय स्वाहा प्राणं ब्रह्मेति व्यजानात्. There's a way to do it. सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु. सर्वेषां सर्वेषां मंगलम भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति। ॐ शान्ति। ॐ शान्ति। May Lord bless you. Amen. Inshallah. Om Hari Om Tassat. Om Hara Hara. Om Tassat. Namaste, namaste, namaste.